Hello all, in this video we are going to see buy and sell system screen. So when you click on that, this screen will appear. On the top left side you can see this drop down menu. So it is nothing but the watch list which you already created in the system. So if you select your desired watch list, it will show the action for that particular watch list. So currently in PSU watch list I have this many stock. So based on the indices and the time frame, it will show the action, what action we need to perform on that particular stock. So here A means add, H means hold, and C means close. So when A is there, we can add the tranche based on that time frame. H means hold, so we don't have to do anything, and C means we should close that position as per the technicals. So if you click on any, so here it is showing A on the daily time frame. So you can see the chart. So same buy and sell system is implemented on the chart as well. So you can see the last candle is A, so you can add it on daily basis. So I generally follow the weekly. So you just select the weekly, click on submit, and on the right side you should select the weekly as well. So it will show the correct chart. So here like ABS, ABSL AMC, they are currently showing A and H. So this is H is for the latest week. So that's why it is not showing, because it is previous week data. So here you can see A means you can add this. So if you see network, so it is not in a position to initiate new position right now. So based on this you can make your decision. So this is the interpretation of this. So like if you want to add some stock to the other watch list, you can just click on the plus icon and it will, you can add it to the other watch list. So if any stock, so this will only show the NSE indices. If in current watch list, if you have some BS, so NS Nasdaq or crypto data, then you should select that and submit that. So currently I don't have anything here, so that's why it will not show anything. So here US invested is for Nasdaq, so based on that it will show here. So this is how you can check that. And in the same screen we have the second tab, market cap. So whatever stock that is present in this particular watch list, so it will calculate the market cap for that. So currently out of this stock, 53% is mid cap, 26% is large cap, and 20% is small cap. And the next one is sector wise percentage. So total, it will show the sector percentage for the current watch list. So this was mainly for, this watch list is mainly for the PSU, means financial. So most of the stock is financial. So the main sector is financial. So I have electronic, IPO, IT, metal. So based on that, it will calculate that. So this screen is mainly for the portfolio rebalancing. If something is like here, we cannot have the more in financial only. So we should split it in the different sector. So that's why we can use this screen to do the analysis, and you can check it on for BSE, Nasdaq or crypto and take your decision. So that's all for this video.